Hello everyone. Today we will be studying about some of the aspects relating to fundamentals of research, in which we will see what is the meaning of research and what are the different types of research objectives. So as you can see, the word research is having two terms in it, which is re and search. Re is basically a prefix over here which means again, and the word search means to find something. Hence, research means to find or search for something again. Now let's understand the meaning of research in detail. Research is a systematic investigation, which means in research there is collection and analysis of data to answer a particular question. Collection means to gather the data, and analysis means to examine or study the collected data. Research also includes the interpretation of existing facts, laws, and theories. It means the various facts, laws, and theories which are already in existence or which are present currently, they are going to be interpreted in detail. Interpretation means understanding or explaining the existing laws, theories, and facts in a more detailed way or manner. Research may also include discovery of new facts, laws, and theories. Or research may also include revision of accepted laws or theories in the light of new facts. Which means some already accepted laws or theories are there, but now because of research they are going to be revised because of the new facts which have emerged or have came into light because of research. इसका मीनिंग ये होता है कि हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एक्सेप्ट किए हुए लॉज और थियरीज होते हैं, बट रिसर्च की वजह से अभी उनका रिवीजन किया जाता है. रिवाइज क्यों किया जाता है उन एक्सेप्टेड लॉज और थियरीज को? क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास कुछ नए फैक्ट सामने आ जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ रिसर्च. And the main purpose of research is to arrive at a conclusion. Thus, after completing all the steps in research, the researcher will arrive at a conclusion. Now let's see what are the 5 basic steps in research process. The first step is problem definition. In this step, the researcher has to define the research problem. Research problem is basically a research question. The research which is going to be conducted is going to be based on this research question, and the researcher is going to find the answer for this question at the end of research. The second step is research design development. This step includes setting of objectives of research, deciding of data analysis method, data collection, designing of questionnaire, etc. In the third step, which is data collection, the data which is required for conducting the research is actually going to be collected. The data which is collected is then analyzed in the fourth step of research, which is data analysis. At the end, in the fifth step, after arriving at a conclusion, the report of the research is prepared and then presented. Now let's see the different types of research objectives one by one. There are basically 3 types of research objectives, which is exploratory research objectives, descriptive research objectives, and causal research objectives. Now let's study it one by one. The first type of research objective is exploratory research objective. As the name suggests, the exploratory research objectives tries to explore the facts. To explore something means to find or search something. This research objective is more of a quantitative market research objective. For example, if a company wants to find details, that is explore about competitors' products, then the company should prepare a questionnaire which is going to answer or collect information about the following questions, which are: how many products of the competitors are there in the market, what are the different features of competitors' product, what is the cost of competitors' products, etc. The next type of research objective is descriptive research objective. This type of research objective helps to find out why a certain action is taken. This is more of a qualitative market research objective. Thus, with the help of descriptive research objective, the company will know the reason behind the more popularity of competitors' products among the customers and the reason behind the less sales of companies' products in rural areas. Now let's see the third type of research objective, which is causal research objective. This research objective helps the researcher to know the cause-effect relationship. For example, a company knows that if it reduces the cost of its products, then the sales are going to increase. Hence, the company reduces the cost of its products, and as expected, the sales of the company's products increases. Thus, here the cause is product's price reduction, whereas its effect is rise in the company's sales. This is a causal market research, as the company knows what will happen if the prices of the products are reduced. In the same way, if suddenly the sales of a company starts falling or decreasing and the company doesn't know what is the reason behind the decreasing sales, then the company would undertake causal research in order to know the cause or the reason behind the decreasing sales. Thus, the causal research objective helps to know the cause and the effect. I hope you have understood the meaning of research and the different types of research objectives. Thank you very much.